Hi, in this video I will show you how to import data using WordPress import plugin from your WordPress. First, you need to download the WordPress import plugin and template by logging into your account. Go to the integration tab, click on WordPress, and here you can download the WordPress import plugin and the templates. Once both are downloaded, go to your WordPress admin and install that plugin. Once the plugin is installed, you can find it here as all import. Now to import the template, go to the all imports setting, scroll to the top and click on import template to import those templates. Once the template are imported, go to the new import, click on download a file from URL, and here you have to paste the API URL of the data you want to import. So to get the API links, go back to the dashboard, go to API, and here you can find the list of API links. In this video, we will import store, coupons and coupon categories. So to import these stores, copy the merchant API key, go to the WordPress admin and paste it here. Click on download. Select taxonomies. Now as we are importing store, so select the affiliate store. Click on continue to step 2. These are the data of that API URL. Now click on to step 3. Scroll down. As we are importing store, so we will select the store import template. Now continue to step 4. And continue. Now click on confirm and run import to download those data. Once it is completed, you can find the store data in the post affiliate stores, and here are those store data. Now let's import the coupon category. Go to the new import, click on download a file from URL. Now copy the coupon category API link and paste it here. Download. Now as we are importing coupon category, so select taxonomies and select the categories. Continue to step 2. Click on step 3. Now select the coupon category template. Continue to step 4. And continue. Click on confirm and run import. Once it is imported, you can find the store category, coupon category data in the post and categories. These are the coupon category data. Now let's import the coupons. So again, go to new import, click on download a file from URL and copy the coupon link from the dashboard. Now go to the WordPress admin and paste it here. Click on download. Since we are downloading coupons, so we will keep it as it is. Continue to step 2. These are the coupon API data. Continue to step 3. Now select the coupon import template. Click on step 4. Scroll down and continue. Now click on confirm and run import. Once the coupon is imported, you can find it here in the marketing. So now the coupons are imported. So you can find it here in the coupons. Sorry, in the post. Go to the business site. And here are the data, coupons and stores. Thank you.